If you want people to find your website through Google, you need to know the basics of SEO. These are simpler than you might think. We have compiled a simple SEO guide to help you cover every aspect of SEO. This SEO course is broken down into 6 modules, including this introductory video. 1. Introduction to SEO. In this part you will learn what SEO is, why it is important in improving your website's visibility in search engines, and how does SEO work. 2. Keyword research. In this video you will get to know what people search for and how to rank with keywords. 3. Content creation. In this part you will learn how to craft content for searchers. 4. On-page SEO. In this part you will learn how to make your content as clear as possible and optimize your pages to help search engines understand them. 5. Off-page SEO. This part will tell you how to build trust and authority from other websites. 6. Technical SEO. In this part you will learn the basics of technical SEO and how to help search engines find, crawl, and index your content efficiently. Let's get started with the introductory part of search engine optimization, SEO. What is SEO? SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. It's a set of processes aimed at improving your website's visibility in search engines, such as Google. All with the goal of getting more organic traffic. Essentially, SEO is about fulfilling users' search needs by creating relevant, high-quality content and providing the best possible user experience. Why is SEO important? Every day, Google users conduct billions of searches for information and products. It's no surprise that search engines are usually one of the biggest traffic sources to websites. To harness this traffic source's potential, you need to appear in the top search results for your target keywords. The correlation is very simple: the higher you rank, the more people will visit your page. The number 1 organic result is 10x more likely to receive a click than a page ranking in position number 10. And the top 3 organic results get more than 50% of all the clicks. This is where SEO enters the picture. Search engine optimization plays a key role in improving your ranking positions. Better rankings mean more traffic. And more traffic means new customers and more brand awareness. In other words, neglecting SEO would mean neglecting one of the most important traffic channels, leaving that space completely to your competitors. Most search engine results pages, SERPs, contain 2 types of results: organic and paid results. For paid results, you have to pay to be here, through pay-per-click, PPC, advertising. For organic results, you must earn your rankings here, through SEO. The answer is simple. The vast majority of people just ignore ads and click on the organic results instead. Yes, SEO takes more time, effort, and although it focuses on free organic traffic resources. But once you rank for your target keywords, you can reach more people and generate passive traffic that doesn't disappear the moment you stop paying. How does SEO work? Google uses relatively complex processes, known as algorithms, to rank pages. These algorithms take into account a huge number of ranking factors to decide where a specific page should rank. You don't need to know how search algorithms work. Actually, nobody does with 100% certainty. However, knowing the basic factors can help you better understand how SEO works and what it takes to optimize your pages to rank in Google. There are the 4 following basic factors. 1. Ensuring relevance. 2. Creating quality content. 3. Providing great usability. 4. Building authority. Let's look into each factor one by one. Ensuring relevance. Your number 1 job in SEO is to ensure that you're offering relevant content. Why? Because Google's number 1 job is to show users relevant results. Relevance is much more than just showing pages about dogs, not cats, when someone searches for dogs. It is also about satisfying the user's search intent, the reason why they used a particular search query. Here's an example. If you search for best laptop for gaming, you don't want to see articles about different types of laptops for games or gaming laptop under $5,000. Both would be topically relevant, but they do not fulfill your search intent. Google knows, based on the behavior of millions of other users, that if you search for best laptop for gaming, you almost certainly want to buy a laptop for gaming purpose. That's why Google ranks either product pages or reviews of the best laptops for gaming, i.e., the search intent is either transactional or commercial. So, how do you make sure your page fulfills the intent behind a search query? Luckily, Google does all the hard work. All you need to do is look at the search results and analyze what you see. Things you need to consider to create relevant content. Topical relevance. One of the ways Google determines a page's topic is by looking at the keywords that appear on the page. Optimize your pages for keywords, but avoid overdoing it. Type of content. Make sure your page provides the right type of content for the query by looking at what types of results rank for the keyword, example, landing pages, product pages, informational posts, reviews, etc. Content freshness. Some types of topics, such as news updates or product reviews, require fresh, frequently updated information. If the search query is time-sensitive, you need to ensure your content will also stay up to date. Location. Google may serve different results based on a searcher's location. If this is the case, you need to adjust your strategy accordingly. Example, if you run a local business, follow local SEO best practices. Creating quality content. Finding the right keywords is just the first step. You also need to create content that will rank for those keywords. Content creation and optimization are two irreplaceable parts of SEO. To rank well in Google, you need to create content that is literally among the top 10 pieces on a given topic. There are 10 organic results on the first page of each SERP, and that's where you want to be. Here are a few key things that separate high-quality content from mediocre content. Comprehensiveness. Cover the topic thoroughly and answer all the questions a visitor might have. It's not about word count. Ensure that each page gives searchers a complete resource. Uniqueness. Your content should not be a compilation of the top results. It should always provide some added value, whether it is a unique angle, useful data, helpful examples, or original visuals. EAT signals. Google pays a lot of attention to expertise, authoritativeness, and trustworthiness, EAT. You should provide accurate and reliable information, be an expert on what you write about, and demonstrate it both on-site and off-site. Readability. Your text should be easy to read. This includes structuring your content logically, writing short sentences, avoiding passive voice, having a consistent tone of voice, etc. Providing great usability. Google prefers user-friendly websites. Technical SEO plays an important role here again. Besides ensuring the crawlability and indexability of your website, SEO also makes sure your website meets usability standards. This includes factors like site security. Your website should meet standard security criteria, like having an SSL certificate, using HTTPS protocol instead of HTTP. Page speed. Google ranks faster pages higher in the search results because they provide a better user experience. Mobile friendliness. Google evaluates your content based on its performance on a mobile device. This is called mobile-first indexing. Mobile SEO ensures that mobile users are able to consume your content easily. Ease of use. You should have an easy-to-follow website structure that allows visitors to find everything quickly and navigate through your site without any problems or obstructions. Building authority. Search engines use several off-page signals to determine whether your site can be trusted. One of the strongest signals, and one of the strongest ranking factors in general, is backlinks, links from other websites pointing to your site. Essentially, backlinks function as votes of confidence to search engines. In general, the more high-quality links your page receives, the more authority your page has in the eyes of Google, which can lead to higher rankings. That's why link building, the practice of getting backlinks to your site, is an important part of SEO. There are plenty of link building strategies. For example, creating linkable assets, creating content that provides great value and naturally attracts links, example, original studies, interactive pages, free tools. Guest posting, writing posts for other websites in order to link back to your website. Broken link building, finding links that no longer work on other websites and suggesting links to your pages as replacements. This video is a good stepping stone for your SEO learning journey. In the next video, we will move to our second module of SEO journey, which is keyword research. In keyword research module, we will learn keyword research basics, finding and analyzing keywords, and rank on number 1 with those keywords. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more informative SEO videos from Digital Marketing SEO. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.